Good morning. I am going to show you how I make kale chips, and if you'll notice, it's very quiet in my house because all my kids are at school, which is a good thing because when I make kale chips, if I leave them on the counter, I turn around and they're gone. I've got little kale chip thieves in my house. So I'm going to show you as fast as I can how I get my kale chips going. The first thing I did is I actually cheated this morning. Normally I'll buy fresh pounds of kale, and I didn't get a chance to do that, so I actually bought some chopped kale, dumped it in a bowl, added my olive oil to it, and that's all I added on top of it was olive oil. I mixed it up with my hands. It actually goes better if you mix it up with your hands than with a spoon. And then if you'll notice, like some of these still need to be kind of like, they're not really deboned because it's not a bone, but you want to take that thick stalk out. You don't want to eat that. So I've added the olive oil, I've mixed it all in with my hands. And sorry, I have like oily hands now, but I will show you. Super easy to make, by the way. So I'm going to grab my pan, and have to bear with me a little bit because I am working in not my own kitchen. I'm going to set my oven, and I'm actually going to set it to about 425 and get that started. I'm going to dump out the kale onto, right now I'm using a cookie sheet. When I have my own house stuff, I use my my Pampered Chef cook stones. They're just awesome. You want to make them so that you have a flat layer, but of course, you know, kale's not exactly two-dimensional, so you may end up with points like sticking up a little bit, and that's fine. And then I'm going to take just a teeny bit of pink Himalayan salt. You can use sea salt if you have them. You can use salt and pepper if you want. Just going to sprinkle them, and I'm going to pop them in the oven. And because I am trying to do this quickly this morning, I didn't preheat my oven, so it is actually going to take a little bit longer, but usually only about 10 minutes or so. And then I shut it off, take them out, and I will show you what happens next. All right?